Hey y'all, what's up? This your girl J Baby and welcome back to the channel. So today's video is going to be on Sensational Butta lace, and it is Glam Wave 24, and I got the color. I'll put it on the screen, the color that I have, or even let me just show it to you. You see the color right here? That's the color I got. So this is virtually HD lace, and it says undetectable. This is the young lady right here on the stock card. This is what it looks like. And I chose this color, y'all, because I wanted some extra color. So we're going to see what this looks like, honey. Okay, so what they have is, this is from the Butta Lace collection. And it has, see the difference, and, you know, their lace composed to other lace. And it's also human hair and premium fiber blend. So it's human and premium fiber. Baby hairs, you see the baby hairs around here. I just took some down, y'all, from doing that, but okay. The pattern of the hair, the curls is really nice. Okay, let's get into, this is, what is this? Like a C curve. Yes, it's like a C curve on the wig. I love the color, y'all. It's really pretty. I wanted something chocolatey, you know, something different. So this is how much lace you get right here, just this parting down here. And you have 2 combs in the front area. You have 1 in the back, and you have the elastic band. And the lace is pretty okay. Of course, I'm gonna have to put some powder in it, but I love how it looked, the bounce, the shake. So I'm gonna go ahead on and try it on. Really gorgeous, right out of the box. She is really gorgeous. I love this color for me. Let's see how she has it. Okay, she has hers like this. So basically that's how I'm gonna do it. What I'm going to do is, cause she's really a just out of the box wig, you know, far as everything being there for you, it is. So I would say that she is, first off, before that, she is big head friendly, guys. My head is fairly small. She's big head friendly. She, you know, she's a synthetic wig, but she's soft. You know, of course you get little tangles. I haven't gotten any yet. Well, right here. But they're easy to come out, okay? Because she's a blend. So right here, I see that we could just take the hair and just, I mean, do she have baby hairs? She don't have any baby hairs, but me, of course, I want baby hairs. So I'm gonna swoop it here. Probably swoop it there and swoop it there. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do it, but I'm basically gonna wear it, try to wear it the way she has it on right here. And actually all I have to do is just cut the lace, put the baby hairs down, and I may do a little flattening right there on the top. So that's about it. I'm going to put her down with probably a little bit of the either that even or this one. Either one, I'm gonna put her down with either one of these. Should I? I don't know. I could put her down with Bold Hold, Liquid Gold. I don't know, but she's gonna be put down. She's gorgeous. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead on and be quiet, and let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay guys, so that is it. I am done with the hair and she is just so gorgeous. She is so gorgeous. This is what you call glam, y'all. She is gorgeous. And this, well, it does says glam. Glam Wave 24 and it's by Sensational, honey. And I will put down the specs, everything you need. It says features human hair and premium fiber blend, full body movement. Full body movement. Are we getting that? Okay, virtually undetectable lace. Oh y'all, hold on. Let me just tweak this a little bit. I have the cream I'm gonna use. And this one is Ruby Kisses RDF 11. And I'm gonna use the darker shade that's in there. Let's see. Yeah, because we need to make this a little bit more natural looking in the scalp. It does look natural looking, but I want to, you know, define the parting more. She really looks good. Okay, I want to put some here because I do see some knots there. She's a very gorgeous wig, y'all. Can y'all see her? A little bit more right there. She is so gorgeous. If my baby hairs would stay still, because I wanted them to be not hard. That's why I didn't put any got to be or anything. I wanted to just use the Eco Styling Gel on it. Hold on, girl. She is a really nice wig, and actually, you know, she is like a out of the box wig. Actually, I believe she is. She is gorgeous. You know, you could take her out of the box and just put your baby hairs down if you want baby hairs, and that's it. She is really beginner friendly. Yes, you see how gorgeous she is. Now this wig, I would say, yeah, it could be an everyday wig. She's gorgeous. Sorry about my light, y'all. She is gorgeous. So let me finish reading. It says, blended with most skin tones, ear-to-ear lace with a wide 5-inch deep hand-tied parting area, pre-plucked with baby hair along the hairline, natural and full maximum density. And it comes with a lot of different colors you can be able to get her in. So this is my review on the Butter Lace, HD Lace. It's actually, it has on here what lace, so we can say yes, what lace. She's pretty. She's really pretty. I love the color. I love the length to her. The length is really nice. Oh, I didn't turn to the back so you can see the back. Let me stand up, y'all. Y'all know how I do it. Okay, babe. So here she is right here. She is a gorgeous one. She is. Let me fix myself, y'all. She is a gorgeous, gorgeous one right here. She's really pretty. I'm looking at my mirror right here. She is like really pretty. Y'all see my babies over there? I love them girls and my son. I have 2 girls and son. So Yes, this is her right here. Let's turn around so you can see the back. Okay, so she is gorgeous and I love her. I really do love her. All right, y'all, so that is my review on the Glam Wave, I think Glam Wave 24. And she is fierce and she is beautiful. You can get your glam on with her, honey. Believe that. She is really, really beautiful. I don't know what's going on with my belt here. My belt keeps coming loose, but she is gorgeous. And I will have everything that you would need in the description bar. That way you can get your hands on her. I will put the price. I think I'm going to put the price actually in the title, y'all, as well. That way you can see that she's affordable and she's beautiful. And you can go ahead on and get your look on with her, honey, for literally pennies, okay? All right, y'all. So you already know, like J Baby says, be blessed and not stressed. Mwah.